हाई कोर्ट में तो आप लोगों ने बिल्कुल मजाक बना दिया, जब मर्जी होगी तब आएंगे, नहीं होगी नहीं आएंगे।
सर
आप डाल डाल चलेंगे तो हम पात पात चलेंगे।
नहीं, आप तो सर मैं
नहीं,
वो
नहीं,
तो
नहीं, आधे वकील इंक्लूडिंग डेजिग्नेटेड सीनियर्स बिगर पढ़े आते हैं।
सर
उनको ये नहीं मालूम होता कि फाइल में क्या लिखा है। बड़ी शर्म आती है कि हम उस सिस्टम का हिस्सा हैं। हम तो पढ़ के आए।
सर विद ड्यू रिगार्ड
नहीं नहीं, अगर हम भी मना कर सकते हैं कि कोई पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, अब तो नौकरी पक्की हो गई, आई एम अ कंफर्म जज। But no, that is not my attitude. My attitude is that I should read, because then only I will be able to reach to the last man who is the litigant and who is represented through unprepared counsel.
सर अगर आपकी कोर्ट में इस तरह के पर्टिनेंट सवाल आते हैं कि एवरीबडी गेट्स टेकन मिनट, जो पहली लाइन में डायरेक्शन है that he to inform what action मिलॉर्ड we against ourselves मिलॉर्ड to counsels मिलॉर्ड।
Yes, yes. बार काउंसिल को रिफर करने दीजिए मैटर।
नहीं, इसमें
हाई कोर्ट में तो आप लोगों ने बिल्कुल मजाक बना दिया, जब मर्जी होगी तब आएंगे, नहीं होगी नहीं आएंगे।
सर
जिस बेंच में जाना होगा उस बेंच में जाएंगे, चॉइस की होगी तो जाएंगे, नहीं होगी तो नहीं जाएंगे।
on that given day milord, when the matter was called in the first round milord, my friend could not appear milord, there is no dispute about it milord. And for that lordship has already imposed cost milord, 5,000 is already deposited. On the last day record was there.
Cost is on the OIC. Now the council not appearing and causing inconvenience is the old matter.
Milord, if milord in the first round somebody is unable to appear milord,
there is no automatic.
I know
my system is very transparent.
I am aware of a lordship system milord. But milord,
I don't adjust according to individual needs. My
Very
system is transparent and it is applicable to each and everybody, be it an advocate of 1 day practice or an advocate of 35 years.
There is no issue about it, milord. By the time my friend reached, milord, the matter was already called. In any case, milord, my lords were, milord, pleased to call for the record, milord. On the last day, records were there. There was no non-compliance, milord. Only thing was, milord, it could not be properly communicated, which gave an impression to your lordship, milord, that there is a change of counsel, and that led to my lord saying that, milord, as is recorded in the last order, milord. Lordship has said change in counsel will not help, which is not the correct position, milord. That is on our part,
I'll clarify that even if there is no change of counsel, lack of assistance is unprofessional, and therefore action be taken.
Milord,
I'll clarify it.
Milord, your lordship kindly.
No. It is becoming very difficult.
Milord, there are aberrations, milord, when the counsel is genuinely, milord, unable to appear, at least in the first round when it is called, milord. Milord,
then there should be at least a request for passover.
Milord, sometime lapse happens, milord. But every such lapse where, milord, where a matter is called.
Whenever counsel appear in this later on and request for marking their presence, I do it. So it is not correct that the counsel could not appear in the first round and appeared later on. That too is not correct.
Otherwise, he did not appear later on. He did not appear later on. Matter was taken up, milord. And only thing was, milord, that on the last day, milord, records were there. There was no non-compliance. There was no change in counsel, milord, in that situation, milord. Milord, for every such, milord, aberration of, milord, one-time incident of non-appearance in the first round when the matter is taken up.
Not that. Milord, please read order sheet dated 13-2.
Milord, 13-2 says, milord, yes, milord, issue notice to the commissioner. Milord, yes, on the next day, milord, the lordship may see the next order, milord.
Yes.
My friend tendered apology, milord, on 14-3, milord, that I'm sorry could not appear in the first round, milord. And lordship were pleased to impose cost, milord, that is already deposited. Then records were called. On the last day, records were very much there, milord. But that gave an impression to your lordship that there has been a change.
What happened on 5-4?
5-4, milord, milord, due to our miscommunication, milord. Lordship records that she so-and-so prays for time to take action against the council, milord. There is no change, milord. All are in the same.
Why did he not argue the matter?
No.
Because if Mr. Utkarsh Sonkar was appealing, he could have argued the matter. That would have been the end of the matter.
Milord, the only reason was, milord, that record had been received, milord, to seek some clarification from the OIC. His mother died, milord, 3 days ago. Lordship has record. So only for that reason,
I granted time for that.
There was no reason for not to argue, but to seek some.
ऐसा बताया नहीं गया कि उनसे clarification लेना है.
सर, वो
क्या clarification लिया आपने? Let affidavit of the OIC be filed that what clarification was required.
My lord,
नहीं, अगर
आप
डाल चलेंगे तो हम पात चलेंगे.
नहीं, आप तो सर मैं वो तो we know your lordships, my lord, that we can't escape the milord, but then milord, lordship में काली
इतना गैर जिम्मेदारना प्रोफेशन हो गया है, मुझे शर्म आती है. जीरो असिस्टेंस, आधे वकील इंक्लूडिंग डेजिग्नेटेड सीनियर्स बिगर पढ़े आते हैं. सर ये नहीं मालूम होता कि फाइल में क्या लिखा है. और एक सवाल पूछो तो एडजॉर्नमेंट मांगते हैं। बड़ी शर्म आती है कि हम उस सिस्टम का हिस्सा हैं।
Sir-
हम तो पढ़ के आए।
Sir, with due regard,
नहीं
sir,
नहीं, अगर हम भी मना कर सकते हैं कि कोई पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, अब तो नौकरी पक्की हो गई, आई एम अ कंफर्म जज। बट नो, दैट इज नॉट माई एटीट्यूड। माई एटीट्यूड
अगर-
इज दैट आई शुड रीड, because then only I will be able to reach to the last man who is the litigant and who is represented through unprepared counsel.
sir, अगर परमिट करें मैं कुछ बोलूं सर।
हाँ बोलिए ना।
सर, आपकी कोर्ट में इस तरह के पर्टिनेंट सवाल आते हैं कि एवरीबडी गेट्स शेकन मिनट। that is the reality. A lordship would not dispute that, my lord. That happens, my lord. It doesn't happen in every court, but then your lordship's court it happens, my lord. And on the last day, my lord, records were there. There was no, in fact, adjournment also sought. All he said was, my lord, that
चलिए मेरिट्स पे बताइए, फिर आगे देखेंगे इसको क्या करना है।
on merits, my lord,
My lord, the
I have discussed with the. My lord,
petitioner-
I have a solution, my lord. I have discussed with the relevant officers, my lord.
जी
My lord, his third time scale
जी
is withheld only for the reason, my lord, that there was a minor punishment of recovery against him for certifying forged bills,
जी
forged work, which is never done.
जी
He has deposited that amount.
जी
Now, the only aspect remaining is, my lord, interest on that delay payment. I have talked to the officers. He is a retired employee. He has deposited the principal amount.
जी।
Now, his after retirement, asking him to pay the interest during the period what he was contesting before the court may not be justified.
जी।
I have advised him that if we waive off the interest part, which is the only roadblock, my lord, in between for approving his third time scale,
जी।
everything will be settled, my lord. So, if your lord,
when will you be doing it?
my lord,
During the course of
subject to your
the...
lordships permitting us to reconsider that.
नहीं नहीं, I'll not say anything. It is for you to
Next week, my
consider.
lord, we'll
नहीं नहीं, you do it by tomorrow. We'll list this case day after
sir,
tomorrow.
एक दिन और दे दे।
नहीं नहीं, आपके अधिकारियों के लिए, जब जो काम करना चाहते हैं तो बैक डेट में कर लेते
No
हैं।
issues. I fully, your lordship knows more than anybody else.
जी जी।
My lord,
देखिएगा,
I'll
श्री
seek
नमन
his- my
नागरथ,
lord.
learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri Jubin Prasad, prays for a day's time to sort out the matter and extend benefits as are admissible in law to the petitioner. List this case on request of Shri Nagrath. List this case on 24 April, top of the list.
Yeah. सिर्फ वो इंटरेस्ट वेव ऑफ हो जाएगा।
हमें नहीं मालूम आप क्या
नो
करेंगे।
नो
हमें नहीं मालूम।
लॉर्डशिप हमको तो आई
हमें नहीं मालूम है आप क्या करेंगे।
और भी?
आप इस
रिकवरी हमने चैलेंज किया है, उसको हमारा पे स्केल उसके एरियर्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं।
अब आफ्टर
उसका-
डिपॉजिटिंग
उसका
द
रिटायर्ड-
अमाउंट अंडर पेनल्टी,
वो देख लीजिएगा आप क्या कर सकते हैं। फिर
we'll put up a proposal, my lord. It is for my friend to accept it, not my lord. He has deposited the penalty amount, my lord.
अंडर द कंपेलिंग ऑर्डर आई वाज गोइंग टू रिटायर योर आरसी, आई हैव नथिंग, आई वाज रिड्यूस्ड टू हैंड टू माउथ, तब हमने दिया था। उस समय कंपेलिंग
ठीक है, तो आप देख लीजिए, एग्जामिन कर लीजिए।
Sir, हम तो मैंने I have opined, my lord, that this should be settled. We should,
कमिश्नर को बोलिए सेटल करके ऑर्डर
We'll-
पास
we'll do
कर
that.
दें,
We'll
ऑर्डर
do
पास कर दें, ऑफर ना दें,
we'll do that,
ऑर्डर पास कर दें।
my lord, my lord.
और ये क्या होता है नागरिक साहब, थोड़ा सा ये भी समझाइएगा।
Sir,
संजीव कुमार मिश्रा का एडजस्टमेंट लगा हुआ है। ये एडजस्टमेंट क्या होता है, जब मैं लगातार देख रहा हूँ, ये इस केस में नहीं पूछ रहा, जनरल पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, दिस इज अ टेंडेंसी, जब सुविधा होती है तो उस मुकदमे में आ जाते हैं डिस्पाइट एडजस्टमेंट, बाकी तो एडजस्टमेंट है ही। ये कौन सा नया फॉर्मूला निकाला
तो,
है।
इसको रिव्यू
अगर एडजस्टमेंट
इसका
है,
रिव्यू होना जरूरी है।
अगर एडजस्टमेंट है तो केस विल नॉट बी टेकन हाउएवर अर्जेंट इट मे बी।
सर, ये
and
एडजस्टमेंट का रिव्यू होना जरूरी है हम लोग के एंड पे, सर।
हाँ, तो आप इसको करवा
सर,
लीजिए।
ये बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है इशू।
नहीं नहीं, मैं इसको कई दिनों से ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ, मैंने उसका अभी तक कोई एडवर्स संज्ञान नहीं लिया है, बट वन डे आई मे बी फोर्स टू टेक एडवर्स।
सर, कोर्ट नंबर 1 में ये रोज होता है, इन एवरी डे 1 or 2 cases, my lord. Court is also, one is also very clear. You have filed adjustment. Maybe there are 10 counsels in the
We
wakalatnama.
are not concerned
Even,
with it.
yes, even one of them has filed adjustment. No hearing.
नो हियरिंग।
So that is, my lord. Even, my lord, the honorable DB1 is repeatedly saying that.
So counsel will इसमें एक और लिख लीजिएगा। One of the counsels for the respondent, Shri Sanjeev Kumar Mishra, has filed his adjustment though he is present in the court.
My lord,
ठीक है, नहीं उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं लिखा।
नहीं उनका नहीं सर। He is, आज मैंने स्पेशली बुलाया था because of, my lord, he is traveling in.
करने दीजिए, उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं लिख रहा हूँ।
नहीं सर, वो आपने सिखा दिया, he is present in.
This practice of filing adjustment and then party getting represented through other set of counsel to argue the matter either on interlocutory applications or finally sends a message that adjustment is a ploy to suit the convenience that whether matter is to be argued before a bench or not can be decided by the council. full stop. In the garb of adjustment, that freedom can be exercised, that if the bench is suitable, matter will be argued, or if the matter is so urgent or there is a lot of pressure of the client, matter will be argued. Otherwise, adjustment will act as a shield to not to appear. Full stop. This practice needs to be reviewed by the rule making committee of the High Court. Full stop. Matter be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice to refer the matter to the rule making committee to review this aspect of adjustment. चलिए चलिए नेक्स्ट केस हाँ हो गया आपके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं कहा है
नहीं सर, ये अभी इनकी अभी की टिकट है सर,
ये तो एक उदाहरण है
टिकट है। मैंने बुलाया था कि क्योंकि इसमें आई न्यू कि दिस इशू माइट कम अप।
उदाहरण है ये तो चलिए नेक्स्ट केस